That's 488 hood. Oh, was that looks like a Rupp. It's a nice XLT hood. Holy shit. Cherries up here. Looks like 600 hood. That's a shit windshield though, yeah. That is actually a really nice hood. Holy shit. Yeah, I got some chassis up here. That. Yeah, a Trail Indy one. That one's off Arctic-Cat, I know. And there's old tracks back here. Holy shit, guys. You got the Red Rocket hood right here. Got some cracks in it. 600. That's an old seat. There's actually no seat in it all. That's actually a nice hood. What the hell? That's actually a really nice hood. That's like a newer one though. How many miles are on? Well, we're not gonna be able to read that. And well, that's not that safe, but IQR mod right there. That's what that came off of. There's a GP. That's like one of my favorite sleds right now. There's like a wedge frame over there. That's a Rupp. I'm pretty sure that hood. And that's like a 500. That's a Trail. Never mind. That might be like a Trail. And then down there is a little Charger. Then there's this Charger hood, which this one's way cooler because it's got that like that right there. That's kind of rad. Yeah, if I ever got a Charger, that's what I would put on it. Yeah. No, it's actually a Mustang. Huh. Then yeah, we're not going over there. Oh, it's just ate shit. You got like tetanus or some shit. You got trailing arms. Tracks. There's one sled my uncle gave me for free. Wait, it's gonna be a sled to work on here. Right here. This Cobra. This is sodium nice. Well, I think it's so nice. It's a fan. It needs an air box. Need some grips. I threw one in there. That's what I remember because it's falling off. This is not the right seat on it. Yeah, the other one I think I just threw somewhere. I forgot. It was that. Hey. Oh shit. DMD, that doggy. Alright, well, that's it. Bye.